Our lunch, chicken biryani. Ayan. Oh, yan si Bigote. Ayan, okay na. Ayan, masarap na tanghalian. Biryani rice. Lami, lami. How you eat? Ayan mo ng sarsa. Ayan, that is how you eat this food. Masarap din siya. Sarap. Ubos na. Meron pa kaming pa-juice. Ayan. Sarap, Bigote. Ang anghang. Oo, ubos. Ubos. Now is the avocado shake. Ubos lahat. Ubos, lusog. Drinks na lang. Ayan, si Bigote, sold. Sold na sold. Salamat. Tapos ng aming lunch. Juice na lang kami. Kain pa ng kain, Bigots.